Craving something fun and delicious? Let's take a trip to the fair without leaving your kitchen. Hi, and welcome to dobbysignature.com. Today, we're making crispy, golden corn dogs. It's easier than you think, and trust me, you'll be hooked. First up, let's make the batter. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, and 1 cup of milk. Stir it all together until it forms a thick, smooth batter. You want it to coat those hot dogs perfectly. Give it a good whisk. Now, grab your hot dogs. You can use any type: beef, turkey, or veggie dogs. Stick each one on a wooden skewer or popsicle stick. Make sure they're nice and secure and set them aside. Now, let's heat things up. Pour some oil into a deep pot, about 3 inches deep, and heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This will give our corn dogs that perfect crispy crunch. Time to dip. Take each skewered hot dog and swirl it into the batter until it's completely coated. Make sure you cover every bit. Carefully place the corn dogs into the hot oil one by one. Let them fry for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally until they're golden brown all over. When they're perfectly crispy, use a pair of tongs to remove them and set them on a paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Look at that golden goodness. Serve them up with your favorite dipping sauces: ketchup, mustard, or even a little spicy mayo. And there you have it. Homemade corn dogs that taste just like the fare. Maybe even better. Crispy, crunchy, and totally fun to make. So, what are you waiting for? Get frying and enjoy your homemade corn dog goodness. Happy snacking. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumb up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss upcoming posts. Till next time, bye-bye.